here in front of us we have Dyrdal. And today there are 8 farms here, but none of them are up and running anymore. It used to live about 100 people here, but they still don't have any road connection. So how many do you believe lives here today?
0.
0? 100?
20.
20? You got a whole range here. Today it only lives 1 man here, year round. And his name is Arild, and he's 76 years old. So even though he's the only one who lives a year round, you get a lot of visitors. So the other families that owns the other farms here use them as vacation homes, so they are here a lot. And the different companies that offers tours to Sognefjord here will often visit him as well. Then he will tell us stories about Dyrdal. Because Arild, he grew up here, but then he moved away, as you do when you grow up. But when Dyrdal